Uno woman, some of uno woman who love man will argue back with uno. And I can't take an argument back with a woman. You see some woman, them and them man, go suck out your mother. And them and them man, suck out back your mama. Go suck your man, hey girl, go suck your man, go kill her. Go suck your man, girl. And they told them like us, we can't do that. I cannot live like that. No fucking way. Bro, we can't do it. We can't do it. And the two of them in our house, suck out your man. And none of them not left, you know. None of them not left. Two of them in our house. Suck out your man. What's the what? Baby! Why? Why? Watch out now. Let me show you some woman stay. You get up and say you left. She get up and left too. You say you stay, what the fuck you go on? You don't know what the blood clot woman want. The woman over there. The blood clot. Me? Now argue with me. Can't argue with woman, dog. I can't argue with woman. Woman, we take argument to a different level, bro. Yeah. Remember, you know? Let me show you something. You know, say me I fall up on the road and come back and I go do that one thing. You know, I left me in the house like you left your last bitch, you know. Oh, that come in. No, all that come in. You never have reason, you know. Me show you how woman pick argument. Woman, we are reason with your good and your blood clot phone ring. And you press the side on any. Answer, man. Answer, man. Tell her, say, your wife there tonight. Answer your phone, man. Remember, you know, this is Chevy. Me show you. Remember, you know, your dog a call you, know. Your name did a good, you know. Your phone ring. You press the side because you know, say, your dog a shout you. Answer it, no? Answer it, man. I feel me time now. Every time they don't know. They get your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and look what day me off. Me can't get it for myself. Who you know who call me? Bro, it's when a woman walk past you and look past you, so. You know, just woman who walk slow. We look past me and walk slow now. You up to something? Your blood clot up to something? You don't move like how you normally blood clot move. You a move like sitting up on your blood clot chest. Bro, you see some woman not talking, you know. You can't know what them think. And we all fuck up 4 times and then watch you fuck up 4 times. When you see when they're ready for chat, then tell you all something 4 blood clot months ago, you know, man. And you say, what? I should remember you oh exactly how it's going on, because you are going like you don't remember it, you know. And mama make you know, say, you don't remember when such and such. And I say this to you. And you go like Ray. Mama just love you, man. Mama now get up and cuss with you every day, man. Mama now get up and cuss with you every day, man. Mama just watch you all fuck up all 4 times. And give everything in a one. Yo, so that woman here, even that woman say to you this sinner. You go on like you're slick, you know. You go on like you're smart. Just know say mama 10 step of blood clot. Yo, just know say mama 10 step of yo. Give all your rope. Play your blood clot self. You think, so woman now get up and argue with you, no dog. So woman now argue with you. And so woman we know they're right. And then now argue with them. Then just tell you what them tell you. Yeah, you could have did it and kill up what you want to say. Mama have to get our pint across. You know, brother, even all if you left, mama going to call you and make you know say, this a fuck up. This or this. One hold nothing. That's some girl. Then catch your text. I hear them and I talk about now, you know. You hear them. Me tell about you hear them. Then text you catch her your phone and ring. You know what they do? Then post up on the Insta story. What love got to do with it? Which Annie dog now? We will want to fuck a long time, you know. And she probably will want to fuck mama long time, you know. Him text back. Yeah, pill pot. Mama, what you looking for? Me I tell her this. And they say, I'm going on the blood clot goat. Ready for man jumping at them. I want to fuck now. So watch out. What love got to do with it? And the man seat now, jumping at the blood clot DM. Let me show you something, bro. A woman where you have in your house, or a woman where you're there with, if you and her have argument every time, and she posts it for media every time after that, she giving the next dude a hint to make sure know that the relationship are go down the hill right now. So your time now if you come fuck out it all. I'm going to go back to my man. Because we're there in one jeopardy right now. Hold on. No, real talk, Willie. No, I tell you, anytime you're a woman in our blood clot problem, and you see a woman post to me, think upon the media, she'll make this a man and no say. At time now, if you come jumping at DM, I'll come fuck out it all. May I be real with you? I real with you. Yeah, give next man a hint. If you come make you know, say, yeah man, a time now, man. Yeah man, a time now, brother. If you come do what you do. You see me? Me and my boy, I tell you this straight and plain. You could have there with my friend for 4 years. Me we there with you till the next 5. If you look good. If you don't look good, me not there with you for 5 years. Plain and straight, catch out the bag. Me I there with you for 5 years. Not there with you no time. If you are my friend, there for 4, and you feel like you want to move on, and I mean want to move on with you, or you want to move on with me, we are move on together. Catch out the bag. Sit here. Sit here. Suppose my friend, woman, come to me right now and test me. Say them and give me a look front. And me not take it. When me not take it, 2 2 there for me, that's me a batty man. No man, me mad out. No, sir, when you ever take a pussy and say me a naughty friend. I lie, Willie. No, me I take it. Yeah, no. Bro, no, me I take it.
Where are you behind?
What? No, because I got your experience already, so I haven't talked about it. No, me I talk about it. Me not busy what I want to say. Me not busy what I want to say. So all not busy when mama chat me. Only black brothers alone. So you take your friend, man. You take your friend, man. You see how the woman stay? I behind on the friend, I sleep with your friend, man. They don't come and start contact about you. I'm going to tell them, you know, tell me nothing. A black cloth tell me nothing. What? I have girl code. That can broke. Any code can broke. Who might want to give me a look for to give me, you know? You must know make you want to give me hurt. No, you hear something not take you, I'm going to friend me name. You suppose I set all the boy, you set me up. So yo, I'm going to give you a look front to me say if you're going to take it. Yo, you're jacked down and you're going to take it.
Yo, fuck.
Yo, he drop a ass, Grog. Quick, you fucking drop. No, what listen to me I said. No. Eh? No, man, I have to take it, man. I'm mind game, you know. I'm mind game, you know. I have to take it. Boy, right now, really, right now, to some of them blood clot, man. All that woman look. Me know my woman I give them the front of my woman I give them a blood clot from them I take it. You mad? Them a be boy and a passion, nothing. My blood clot girl front of them right now. Them a take it pussy. Me nah ask Christ. And them a take it and them a come both off say they fuck hero girl. Them boy, they don't want the woman, you know, because they have their monkey living in them blood clot house, you know. Come tell you what them top dog you do. You see, every one of them top dog, when they call themselves drugs dealer and scammer, them baby mother ugly. The drugs dealer, them their woman ugly, their wife ugly. So then come on road now, ramp with people, woman feelings, fuck up your relationship and go back to the monkey. Because really, like monkey have the money, you know. No, they have the real money. I don't like that. Really and truly, the woman have the money. Woman have the brain. The woman have powers. So you know what? Boom. They can't left the blood clot monkey. Because who the monkey, who them going bounce back on? They might drive the monkey car, they live in a monkey house, and the monkey make it go on, and they want to live life like a for them. So they come on road. All the thing they want to say, they fuck hero girl. They fuck Willie girl. They fuck Sinner girl. They fuck Chris Vibes girl. Only that they come on road, come say. So they fuck off the whole away girl. The Chris Vibes and the girl. So me I say, you know, that's all they want come. Yo, bro. Some of them, man, yeah, all the time they post them blood clot woman, you know, help on Christmas, you know. Me say to bumbo clot, and this a monkey live in our house with you for much years. Eh?
Family picture, they have to take.
The family picture where they have to take. And mama say, you know, post me for my birthday. Christmas picture, you have to blood clot post it.
With the kids.
With the kids. And I see a matching pajama.
Yeah.
Ugly blood clot Zaga Rose. Mama Zaga. Hey, I want to with me now. You see, one time I never have nothing. I find pretty girl when I want nothing. Right now, I still have girl when I want nothing from me. Some of the boy, when we put in the basket over which part of the basket can catch. Let me show you something. You jump in a mama there. Mama not gain a feature. Then you gonna send video along out your tongue. So they stay.
Just so.
Or some of them boy where take picture from the mirror with no cocky on one. And I send go give man. Me? No woman can't get no blood clot video of me. Me not send no cock picture go give. No woman. No cock picture whatsoever no woman can get out of this a blood clot boy. And so me honey. Cause if you make my cocky blood clot stand up, you have to come put it down. Where you go if you put it down? No woman can't make. You could have reached like a ras. Me now go front of no mirror. Go take no cock picture, go send, go get no woman. That's why me we talk to a girl and I make a girl know say, you know have to skin out your front send come give me, you know. Or me not have to see you, you know. Naked, you know. Come in a loose man, you know. I may be real. What you? Really, me know you send the cock picture them all. Me not send no cock picture, Willie. Me know Willie send cock picture on. Me not send no cock picture, brother. No, bro. Me not do it. Me not send no cock picture, bro. Yo, Willie, I got a mirror. I'm cutting cock. Me not do them blood clots sitting there. No, me not do it. Me not do it. Me have a woman, brother. Me not loose, bro. Me not loose, bro. Me not loose, man, brother. Bro, I respect myself, you know, bro. I respect myself, bro. If me have respect for you and say me no want fuck your front of your friend them, and then you tell me if you fuck your front of your friend them, that means that this is something where you been a do. This is something where me can't keep up because they want me fuck your front of everybody. You don't have no respect for yourself. Me can't do that. I know some mistake as a man. When you probably look for me and say, here out there have 16 women and 25 women and here is a gallus. I am not a gallus. Listen to me. Let me put this point right as up on the media. I am not a gallus. I am right?
You're right.
Me put it up. I'm telling you this straight and plain. Me, I am not a gallus.